Stop the panic. Stop it. Hi. Now we have this. Find the smallest number that must be multiplied by the following numbers to give a perfect square. Now look at this. All the numbers that we have here, none of them is a perfect square. And we want to get the smallest number that we can use to multiply them in order to give us a perfect square. All right. Just like when we have 3. 3 is not a perfect square, but if we want to make this a perfect square, what do we need to do? We multiply it by another 3. And that will give us 9. So this 3 now is the smallest number that we can multiply by 3 to give 9. Meaning that there are other numbers, but this list is what we need here. So let us go ahead to 135. What number can make it a perfect square? We need to divide again. This is 135. What number can divide 135? Let's test 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 3 can divide 9. That means 3 can also divide 135. So let's go ahead. When we divide by 3, that will give us 3 and 13 is 4. Remainder 1. 3 and 15, 5. And 3 again can divide 45 to give us 1 and 5. When 3 again divides 15, we'll have 5. And 5 divides 5, we'll have 1. Alright, now having done this, what's the next thing that we must do? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 135. Now, having done this, what we need to do here is to begin to group this in twos. So anyone that doesn't have a pair will bring it out. So this one is 3 squared. That is 3 times 3. Then times 3 and times 5. Now if you look at this, this one has a pair. That is why it is squared. This one doesn't have, and this one also do not have. That means the least number that we can use to multiply is just these two numbers, which is 3 times 5, and it is what? 15. Meaning that 15 is the smallest number that we can use to multiply 135 in order to give us a perfect square. That is done. Then for the second one, number 2, we also have 162. 162. So we divide. 2 can divide this to give us 81. When 3 divides 3 in 8 will give us 2, remainder 2. 3 in 21 will give us 7. Then 3 in 27 is 9. 3 in 9 will give us 3. And then 3 in 3, 1. So let us also get this once again. This is giving us 2 times, you can see, 3 raised to power 2 times another 3 raised to power 2. Now looking at this, you can see that all these ones have pairs, meaning the square. This one is 3 squared, this one is also 3 squared. The one that doesn't have a pair is only 2. Therefore, the answer here will give us 2. So 2 is the smallest number that we can use to multiply 162 in order to give us a perfect square. Stop that panic. It is simple. Now, having understood this, go ahead to solve the last 2 and drop your answer in the comment section. Now. Bye.